Welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. Today's video, I'm making asparagus roll-ups. You're going to need turkey lunch meat, hollandaise sauce, and fresh asparagus. Now, if you want to use either chicken or ham off the bone or whatever ham you like, you can just make sure it's sliced, not shaved, onto the recipe. The first thing you got to do is clean the asparagus and cut it to fit it in the pan. Now, it all depends whether you like your asparagus crunchy or fully cooked, how you proceed. Now, if you like it crunchy, you don't have to parboil it. But if you like it fully cooked, you have to. So I'm going to do the fully cooked method. You can skip cooking the asparagus first before you do the roll-ups. Your choice. Now I'll show you how to cook the asparagus. The next thing I'll do is add some salt to the water. Just a little bit. Now stir it up to make sure the salt gets mixed in. Then bring it to the boil, then we're going to drop it in. I got the ice water made, so now I can parboil it. Time to add the asparagus. Time it 1 to 2 minutes. 1 minute would be the best one. Add it. Let it go for 1 minute. I just added it to the ice water to stop the cooking. It is brighter green because of the salt water. Leave it in the ice water until it's cool. Make according to package directions. Preheat oven to 400. Now we'll assemble them. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get a slice of meat. And I asked them for sandwiches, so we'll see. It's not supposed to pull apart, but we'll see. We'll make do. We got the sauce to cover it up. And you put as many sprigs as you want in each one. I like asparagus, so I want that many. And you just roll it up. And then put it in your pan over here. The hollandaise sauce would hide the boo-boos. This is the first time I made it with turkey. I normally use ham. So, and I'll show you again. It's falling apart. Let me see if I can get a slice that isn't falling apart. There we go. And again, we'll put some in the middle. As many as you like. And then wrap it up. That one will look a little bit better. We got hollandaise sauce, we can hide the boo-boos too. And that one is too shredded. For this, I'll eat it. That's a pretty good slice that came out. Then you just continue wrapping them up, just like that. I'll be back when I add the sauce. Now we're going to add the sauce. If you have a boo-boo, use the sauce to cover it up. I like it saucy. You can save some for later. Get that off there real quick. And then we bake it 15 to 20 minutes in a 400-degree oven. This is what it looks like when it's finished. I'll plate it up for you. I have to give credit where credit is due. The original recipe came from Taste to Home magazine. They used ham instead of turkey. It's not my recipe, it's theirs, but I just tweaked it by adding turkey. This is what it looks like plated up. I added more Hollandaise sauce since I like Hollandaise sauce. Perfect for asparagus season. If you like more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section below. All recipes with social media links is in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.